When you look at a mudroom or entryway, the reality of that is it's usually the number one place people see our homes. It's not through the front door, that's where the strangers come. But when you're looking at a mudroom or an entryway off a garage or off a driveway, that's where family and friends come. The key is to have a space that doesn't look blown apart with all the kid stuff thrown around and coats everywhere, and that's probably what most people have. In this space here, the goal was to really use the depth that we had to maximize the amount of different coats that could be hung, provide a lot of spaces for shoes, provide some overflow storage for other items that didn't find a place elsewhere. So let's talk a little bit about this design. In the bottom, we made this thing about 25 inches deep. And so you have some drawers here where you have a lot of space to put shoes or other items, anything that would be deeper. Everything's on a slow close. In this space here, along the back wall of this, there actually this is a laminate system. So even if these are backpacks that are put up here by the kids and they're dirty, you can just really literally wipe this off. It's a very durable material, and if things are wet, it's not going to penetrate into the wood and cause things to warp over time. So in the center section, you've got an area where you can sit down, take your shoes off. Then for some additional storage above it, again, we wouldn't want this to come out too deep because you might bump your head getting out. But in these spaces above, you really have excess type of storage, kind of to use that space above. Then we also made this section deeper so that you could fit hanging clothes, because if there wasn't, this is about 24 inches deep. So you have hanging clothes here, and then literally at the bottom, there is what's called the scoop drawer. You'll see a lot of scoop drawers either in kitchens or in mudroom entryways. So this can actually, pull out, and this can actually go back into the space like there. Doors all have heavy duty hinges on them as well. So the goal really with an entryway is make it durable, so it's going to stand up to kids, dogs, whatever. Make it organized, so when most of your family and friends come in, it doesn't look like, oh my God. Then also make it fashionable. So in this case here, we used a darker top that kind of goes with the floor, but make the space feel kind of light and open. This pattern called Morning Mist, which has some depth to it and interest to it, but it is lighter and it feels good. And then for some finishing touches, you'll see a little bit of straight crown molding. Again, this is a shaker style drawer, so a very simple yet fashionable type of way to finish off the closet. And then lastly, the jewelry of any type of entryway system or mudroom system really is hardware. So over here you'll see brushed brass type of hardware, which has become very popular. So my name is Mike Fody. I am with Innovate Home Org. If you want to get a free design for mudroom or entryway, call 614-545-6888 or visit innovatehomeorg.com. Thanks so much.